For reference, this is how hairy my butt is right now. You can view the
I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration.
YouTube, what it do, man? It is your boy Abdul up next, and I am back with another video, but not just your average video. How long y'all been on YouTube, bro? On YouTube, they got a video on everything. Have you ever watched a tutorial? Whenever I watch tutorials on YouTube, it just be some Indian never getting to the point, and he never get to the point. But as you see the title and thumbnail of this video, we're gonna be watching the worst YouTube tutorials that you should never watch. We're gonna do it for people, just so you don't have to do it. I'll do it for you. Like this video if you don't want me to regurgitate my thumb into your ass. Well, what do we have here? How to be racist and not get in trouble? Because I definitely needed this. Bro, I've been my whole life trying to figure out how to do this because I knew I was, but I couldn't admit or believe it. So you know what? Why not watch how to do it and not get in trouble? Get in trouble or not, I'm gonna say what I gotta say. I don't care if it gets me slipping and sliding on baby oil in a room with. I gotta stop saying those jokes. It's getting to a point. I'm never saying Diddy's name again in my life. How to be racist and not get in trouble. What a useful tutorial. Let's get to it.
There are a few ways you could pull off being racist without landing yourself on the front page of Twitter. Now, admittedly,
Really?
I don't know if there even is a front page of Twitter, but I set this to record the intro for 11 seconds, and I had to fill in something because I don't know when it's gonna come. The first way you could be racist without getting in trouble is if you have a good sense of humor. Most people will generally understand you're using
Okay.
humor if you employ one
Okay, having a sense of humor. Can we put it into a sentence?
of these two methods. Number one, you say something super out of pocket, very casual. Man, I want to go to the Indy 500. All the other races suck. What's your least favorite race? Blacks. This also works in reverse if you purposely take...
What the f am I watching? I was just kidding, bro. You're not getting away with that. Yo, dude, what's your least favorite race? Blacks. I can never pump my gas in peace. Like, sometimes I just want to sit at the gas station and play my sexy red on max volume and twerk.
Favorite race? Blacks. This also works in reverse if you purposely take something not meant to be taken seriously very seriously. Together? Another way you can get away with being racist.
Whites and colors.
Together? Another
What you mean?
way you can get away with being racist is if you one-up your own race. Like if you're Mexican, you rip on Asians by saying Asians suck at driving, it's not okay, but if right after you rip on Mexicans saying Mexicans are ruining this country, it is okay. Now, since I technically just ripped on Asians and
no, it's
Mexicans, it would
not.
follow that I have to make fun of white people. But we don't make...
No way you really sat down and broke this down like you in a college lecture. You put it in too much effort. Is this the type of stuff they were saying back in the 1700s when it was like old PowerPoint slide? Put this much effort into a job and employment status. Goddamn. Bro turned racism into a sport. Like what? This is not philosophy.
Now, since I technically just ripped on Asians and Mexicans, it would follow that I have to make fun of white people. But we don't make fun of white. If you aren't feeling confident in your ability to use a sense of humor, or you feel like you don't understand social interactions enough, here's a list of groups it's always okay to make fun of because everyone hates these people.
I don't know who you fooling. White woman. Feminist. The British. The French. The French. The French. I seen that.
Some people say it's never okay to be racist, even if you're joking. And those people are white women. Not the white woman that can be located here on the shirt that's not for sale at aljokes.com, but the white woman that can be located here on the shirt that's not for sale at aljokes.com. And they don't let you do anything, so you might as well just be racist. So this video is basically just propaganda for being racist? Well, yeah, kind of, but the whole thing's a joke. You're not really supposed to take it seriously. You literally...
People will say the most serious and say it's just a joke that you're not supposed to take serious. And oh my god, the next tutorial. Every time I see this YouTuber's face, I just want to... Worst YouTuber of all time? You're looking at him right now. Why is he the worst YouTuber of all time? He makes the worst videos of all time. There's nobody who willingly clicks this video and says, I love this guy. This has 650,000 views and 1,000 likes. Everybody who watched this watched it against their will. Who says, I'm gonna make a video called Dissolving Butt Hairs? You sat in your room and thought this was supposed to get you out the hood. A visual tutorial of dissolving your butt hair. You was at them freak-offs. You might as well sell your soul. You already put your butthole on the internet. They be thinking just because once you get the zesty pass, you just get to wildin'.
For reference, this is how hairy my butt is right now. You can view the...
Who are you intending to watch this? I just want to ask some like this. For one, where's your pops at? Where's your pops at? Apologize to him. Make it right with your pops. For two, why are you sitting up here on a YouTube video telling us your butthole cutting schedule? We don't care. We don't care how often you cut your butthole, gang. We don't. Keep that to yourself. Why are you thinking to share this? The world don't need to know this. What is your kids gonna say? Bro, you openly went and did a visual guide. This was not requested. You know when your viewers be in the comments like, yo, do this, react to this, react to this. They did not say, show us your butthole. And whichever viewer said it needs to go to jail. You're the cause. And that's just not something you should be asking somebody. Now they just letting anything be on YouTube. I can't tell if I'm on YouTube or the dark web. How to hide a body? Nobody's ever gonna need use of this. What you think Ted Bundy gonna reply to the video like, yo, this helped me out so much?
Oh no, looks like you just somebody.
Oh, really? I thought he just passed out.
That's not what happens when you hit someone in the head with a hammer.
Oh, jeez. Now my mom and dad are gonna be mad at me.
Not if I can help it.
What do you mean?
They won't find out.
How?
Because I am going to teach you how to hide a body.
Yay!
For the
Bro, what the hell is this like 2007 ad video, man? If you don't get this school project ad video on. Yeah, yo, you gotta go. You gotta go. This video is giving 2007 like.
kids at home who would like to follow along.
When am I ever in my life gonna need to hide a body? Can you tell me how to hide my baby oil? How about you tell me how to hide my socks that I've been using? That's hard. How about you tell me that?
Here are some supplies that you will need. Some disposable bags, some choppy chop items, the body to a secure location.
Move the body to a secure location. I don't suggest anybody to obviously do this. They was just letting anything go on in school back in 2009. If I seen this on the cameras, I would be terrified.
Step 2. Search the pockets for some goodies.
You were born 1990? Darn! 1990? You got your license in 2017? This guy's a grandfather right now.
Step 3. Chop chop.
I'm gonna start at the toes, and I'm gonna work my way up.
Yeah, those type of videos be all fun and games till it actually happens. Y'all gotta be for real, bro. That's that David shit right there. You gotta detect it, bro. I detect it. I got my David sirens is going up. How do you just have so much experience with this? Where do you practice this at? How to be a furry training video. Oh, these motherfuckers got training videos. Say it ain't so. Y'all, I gotta get a training video to be a furry? What, y'all gotta initiate me here too? What, this a sorority, man? This is all bogus. Laser the shark fox. Are you?
So you clicked on this video because you decided to be a furry.
What?
Well, okay then. In this training video,
Are you? With this My Hero Academia, My Furry Academia? Oh my god, what am I getting myself into?
because you decided to be a furry. Well, okay then. In this training video, you will learn about all the things you need to know so you can be a fluffy, whatever species you are. Watching television. If you want to watch some television, then you should consider watching something less human. What's this? Humans having emotions and feelings? Old news. Furries is where it's at. Watch Agretsuko or B&A instead. Now you can watch anthropomorphic animals going through the harsh reality that we call life.
Boo. The hell is he yapping about?
Eating. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all important. It's where we can restore ourselves and enjoy something delicious.
But do y'all really eat with this on? Like y'all be sitting around randomly 3:30, cooling, mask on, cooling. I get it. It could probably be fun. But damn, we not about to get to the dinner table. Like, you know you hungry. You know good and well you smell that goddamn fried chicken. You want to lure a furry, get them to take their mask off, you got to take it back to the basics. Get the grape juice, get the fried chicken. Just got to get them with smell this time. Oh, you such a dog. Oh, I'm a furry, I'm a dog. All right, smell this chicken out so you can take off the mask and eat it, bro.
But what are these? Plates? Cutlery? That's not the way to go. You're a furry now. You eat from a bowl, whether you like it or not.
Oh, absolutely not. Oh, absolutely not. They taking it too serious. They taking it more serious than they fam.
Finish the last bit?
Goodbye. Uwu.
Amazing.
What?
You're a furry now.
What? Oh, disliked. Oh, disliked. Oh, disliked. Oh my God, you did a ew will? Oh. Like this video because I desperately need it, and I want to shout out to these 4 people right here. I give a shout out to 4 people at the end of every video, and if you want to shout out, all you got to do is like this video and let me know that you did in the comment section, and I will pick 4 lucky people to get a shout out. Look, I don't got a haircut, so I'm gonna show y'all my hair right now. I don't got no haircut though, so yeah, we getting a cut, and then I'm going pistol packing, never lacking, get you automatic, hit you with the static. Ah! Eee!